Hey Subaru fans, welcome to Apex Performance. Today we're going to be installing Invidia's Q300 Exhaust on a customer's 2015 Subaru STi. We'll show you the product, give a quick demonstration of the sound before and after, and also show you how to install the product at home. Let's take a look. The Invidia Q300 Exhaust is made of a high-quality 304 stainless steel, mandrel bent to reduce back pressure, with a 76mm inner diameter. It's actually 4 separate pieces: the mid-pipe, the connecting pipe, and the 2 mufflers. The muffler tips are titanium with 110mm inner diameter. The exhaust comes with everything you need for installation, all hardware and gaskets, and includes a 1-year manufacturer warranty. This exhaust bolts up to the 2015 Subaru STi, requiring no modification and using the factory hangers. New hardware and gaskets are provided by Invidia. To begin the installation of the Invidia Q300 exhaust, you need to disconnect the mid-pipe from the downpipe. That sits right here. It's the 2 bolts on the flange held by the springs. You'll need a 14mm wrench for the bolt head and a 12mm wrench for the nut on the back side. Now that the mid-pipe is disconnected, we can move down the line and remove the exhaust from the hangers. The next step is to remove the factory exhaust from the hangers. The hanger, the first one that you're going for, is located behind and on the driver's side of the rear differential. Now, these are rubber and fit really tight on the hangers for the exhaust, so you might want to lube it up with something just to help it slide out a little bit easier. I'm using a spray lubricant that's actually part of a headlight polishing kit, but it doesn't do any damage to the metals or the rubber, and it makes everything much easier to work with. There we go. The next step is to remove the last 4 hangers at the back of the car. There are 2 hangers holding on each muffler, one on the inner side and one on the outer side of the car toward the rear. This is where it helps to have a buddy with the install. At this point, we can just pull the entire exhaust out from underneath the car. Now you've got the old exhaust out and the shiny new one ready to go in. To install the Invidia Q300, begin with the mid-pipe and just follow the same steps in reverse direction. Bolt the mid-pipe to the downpipe, the connector pipe to the mid-pipe, and then the mufflers to the connector pipe. Remember, when installing the mid-pipe to the downpipe, that this sloped gasket from the factory must be fully removed in order to seat the new gasket and mid-pipe onto the downpipe.